So here is Grok AI in Telegram. So I have Telegram Premium, so I will show you how it works. So first of all, so you just need to get Telegram app. You know, a lot of people like it in crypto community in Eastern Europe, some other countries. Here is the username Grok AI. You can just scan this QR code to get it. And then this just behaves as a normal bot in Telegram. Yeah, it's basically it's only available to Telegram Premium subscribers. It's kind of free to use in here, but you need to be Telegram Premium, and then you get access. And then I don't know whether this is you're getting Super Grok model or you just getting the like normal Grok AI, but this is just like push for you to upgrade to this is the trick to upgrade to Telegram Premium. But yeah, then you just have menu, start a new conversation, ask a question. So let's just ask it here. Okay, so as you can see, so this is like a similar Grok model, which you have like for free actually if you go to Grok AI app. So that's just what it is. But then yeah, you can ask a question. If you need general support, you can tap settings. But if you start a new conversation, just tap a new chat. And then you can also send attachments. You can also send stickers. Like, for example, you can send the sticker. Let's see. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can also send a voice message in here. Or hold to record the video. Tap to switch to video. How are you? So yeah, as you can see right now, it doesn't understand actually audio messages, and yeah, basically that's what it is. But then it just basically works like a normal like Grok AI model. So that's the idea. As you can see, so it can understand pictures, but it can't generate images from here. So that's what it is. So it's very limited, but some people like it because they use Telegram more often than, for example, Twitter. So that's like the addition in here. So try it out.